Hi, my name is Starn Wagner with the Watershed Protection Department to the City of Austin, and I'm here to talk about cisterns, rainwater cisterns. Rainwater cisterns capture stormwater runoff from hard surfaces and enable you to use them for things later on, such as watering landscaping, filling up your pools, variety of other things. The options are yours. Like any system, cisterns need a little care to keep working their best. So let's take a look at some simple maintenance tips to ensure your system stays clean, efficient, and ready for the next rain. About 4 times a year, if you're using it for irrigation, you want to clean the filter in between the cistern and your irrigation. You've got to clean that a little more regularly to keep that functioning. Not all cisterns have a first flush diverter, but if yours does, it needs seasonal cleaning. Start by unscrewing the cap by hand or wrench, whatever it needs to, so that you can drain it. And then watch out for splashing. Remove any of the debris that's inside. And if there's a valve, clean it so it drains properly. If there's a ball that floats inside it, place it back before reattaching the cap. And then when tightening, be careful not to misalign the threads because you don't want to strip them. You'll also want to check all of the piping leading into the cistern and the cistern itself for any cracks. You can visually check them or feel them with your hands, make sure they didn't crack during a freeze or maybe got hit by a lawnmower or something. Look also around the cistern itself, make sure it isn't cracked anywhere and leaking out. About twice a year in the spring and fall, prune back any nearby trees. That'll reduce falling debris and protect the system. Also, to make sure that water is flowing cleanly and properly into your system, clean any leaves and debris from your gutters and inlet screens. You want to clean the filters between the gutters and the cistern. In this case, we've got a top of tank filter. And so you can just reach in and pull out the debris from that. We also have a leaf eater type filter that filters out the water coming from the downspout. You just take that screen off, pull out the debris, get it all put back together. You should be good. And every 1 to 5 years, it's good to take a look inside your cistern and make sure that a lot of sediment isn't building up inside. If I feel like there's sediment inside, I would then put a broom inside and swish it around to clean it out while the valve is open, so the sediment flushes out. Learn more about cisterns and creek-friendly gardening at growgreen.org.